get to go for a walk. You get to go. Rumble boom in the car. You're being so cute, but now you're not. Mr. Bird. You're a sugar. Misha Boo. Missy Misha. We get to go because you're a good bird. Misha, hello in the box. Hello, Misha. Hello, Misha. We're gonna go walk. You wanna try going for a walk like a puppy? Let's hope that we don't get much attention. Missy Misha, I'm right here. Oh my gosh. Birding the tree. Good bird. Hopefully you're not in trouble. Good bird. I think that one needs to come off. Yummy pine. Okay, are you all done? You ready to move on? Let's go taste another tree. Okay. Let's go. Let's move on. Good bird. We're going for a walk. No, of course you shut up. You were talking. You're being a cockatoo. Oh, look, here comes a bicycle. Bicycle, it's okay. It's okay. Good bird. There's a bicycle. There was a bicycle! Oh my gosh! See, we're on a walk. You're being such a good bird. You're being such a good bird. Who's a good bird? And I got fluff on my nose. White powder on my nose. You are such a good bird. Look, they got more joggers. More joggers. More joggers. Kisses. And I haven't even got my chin. Should we cut up here? No, I think we need to go a long way. You're doing good. You are doing just fine. You're such a good bird. Sorry. Good bird.
Look.
Are you talking back?
You hear? Say holla, say holla.
Say hello. Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Say some more.
Misha bird. Say hello.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. It's so pretty out, isn't it? Oh, there is a bird. Were you talking to that bird? Oh. I didn't see you were making a bird friend. Sorry. What a pretty little spot. You are such a good bird.